What's the meaning of curb? Curb. Curb.
Curb. Curb. The word curb can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. However, one common definition of curb refers to a physical barrier or restraint that is used to control or limit something. This can be seen in situations where curbs are used to keep vehicles from driving off the road or when governments implement policies to curb inflation. The main result of curbing is a reduction or limitation of the activity that is being restricted. This can lead to increased safety, order, or stability in certain situations.